Okay, so good morning, teacher. This is group number 18. My name is Om Bhosle, roll number 4. Uh, we'll be pre- we'll be presenting this project on standard transformation. W is equal to C plus Z and W is equal to C into Z. The group members are Om Bhosle, roll number 4, Raghunath Devan, roll number 13, Rohan Doshi, roll number 17, Jainil Modi, roll number 60, and Fenil Moradia, roll number 61. The name of the faculty is Dr. Teena Trivedi. Okay, so geometrical representation. To draw a curve of complex variable xy on z plane, we take two axes, that is one real axis and the other imaginary axis. A number of points x comma y are plotted on z plane by taking different value of z, that is different value of x and y. The curve C is drawn by joining the plotted points. The diagram obtained is called Argand diagram in z plane. But a complex function w is equal to f of z, that is u plus iv is equal to f of x plus iy, involves four variables x comma y and u comma 4. A figure of only three dimensions x, y, and z is not possible in a plane. A figure of four-dimensional region for x comma y comma u comma v is also not possible. So we choose two complex planes, z plane and w plane. In the w plane, we plot the corresponding points. W is equal to u plus iv. By joining these points, we have a corresponding curve C in w plane. The following slide will be presented by Raghunath Devan.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. My name is Raghunath Deval and I am going to explain what is transformation and types of standard transformation. Transformation. Wait a minute. For every point xy in z plane, the relation w is equal to f of z defines a corresponding point uv into w plane. We call this transformation or mapping of z plane into w plane. If a point z0 maps into the point w0, then w0 is also known as the image of z0. If the point P of x and y moves along the curve C in z plane, the point P dash uv will move along a corresponding curve C dash in w plane. Then we say that a curve C in z plane is mapped into a corresponding curve C dash in the w plane by relation w is equals to f of z. Hence, transformation defines as mapping of z plane into w plane. Types of standard transformation. There are six types of standard transformation: translation, rotation, magnification and rotation, inverse and reflection, and binary. In this project, we are only going to discuss about translation and magnification transformation. Therefore, the translation will be explained by Fenil. Thank you.
So in translation transformation, let W be the function of Z, C be the complex number a plus ib, Z be the complex number x plus iy. Therefore, according to translation transformation, W equals to C plus Z, where C equals to a plus ib, W equals to u plus iv, and Z equals to x plus iy. By substituting the values of W, C, and Z, we get u plus iv equals to x plus iy plus a plus ib. By separating real and imaginary terms, we get u equals to x plus a and v equals to y plus b. On substituting the values of x and y in the equation of the curve to be transformed, we get the equation of the image in the w plane. The point p x of y in the z plane is mapped on the point p dash x plus a y plus b in the w plane. Similarly, other points of z plane are mapped onto a w plane. Thus, if W plane is superimposed on the Z plane, the figure of W plane is shifted to a vector C. Therefore, this transformation maps a figure in Z plane into figure in W plane of the same size and shape. Therefore, it is called a mirror translation of the axis. For example, determine the region in W plane on the transformation of rectangle region enclosed by W equals x equal to 1, y equal to 1, x equal to 2 and y equal to 2 in the z plane. The transformation is w equal to z plus 4 plus 3i. So as given in the question, w equals to z plus 4 plus 3i, we substitute w as u plus iv and z as x plus iy. So we get u plus iv equals to x plus iy plus 4 plus 3i. By equating real and imaginary parts, we get u as x plus 4 and v as y plus 3. So in z plane as given in the question, we have x as 1 and 2 and y as 1 and 2 also. So we get w plane by adding 4 to x we get u, and by adding 3 to y we get v. So we get 5 and 6 as values of u and 4 and 5 as values of v. You can see in the diagram that the rectangular region is translated into w plane of the same size and shape. Now magnification transformation will be explained by Jainil Modi.
Thank you. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible. Yes.
Thank you, Miss. My name is Jainil Modi and my roll number is 60. I will be explaining magnification transformation. So let's start with the formulating the values. W be the function of z and c be the real quantity. Z is the complex number. Therefore, according to magnification transformation, W will be equal to C into Z. In this transformation, the figure in W plane is magnified C times the size of the figure in Z plane. Therefore, the size of the new figure depends upon the value of C. If C is greater than 1, then the figure will be magnified. But if the C is between 0 to 1, the figure will be smaller. Therefore, both figures in Z plane and W plane are singular. For example, if there is a region enclosed by x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2 in the Z plane, and the transformation is W is equal to 3Z. Therefore, the new figure will be 3 times the original size. So, when substituting the values, we get u is equal to 3x and v is equal to 3y. So the value of when the value of x is 1, the new value of the u is 3. Value of y is 1, so v is equal to 3y. When x is 2, u is 6, and when y is 2, v is 6. So plotting the points, we get this figure. Now this example will be explained by Rohan Doshi.
Good morning, all. I am Rohan Doshi, roll number 17. Find the image of the triangle with vertices as I, 1 plus I and 1 minus I in the Z plane under the transformation W equal to 3Z plus 4 minus 2I. Solution. We have W equal to 3Z plus 4 minus 2I as given in the question. You let W equal to U plus IV and Z equal to X plus IY. U plus IV is equal to 3 into X plus IY plus 4 minus 2I. By equating the real and imaginary parts, we get U equals to 3X plus 4 and V equal to 3Y minus 2. As now plot X equals to 0 and Y equals to 1, we get the value of U as 4 and V as 1. And now X equals to 1 and Y equals to 1, we get value of U as 7 and V as 1. Now X equals to 1 and Y equals to minus 1, we get the value U equals to 7 and V equals to minus 5. We can see the example by this diagram. The left hand side one is the original one, and the right hand side one when the plane has been shifted, that the values we have got. Applications. Cartography. This is one of the applications of the given examples. In cartography, several named map projection including the Mercator projection and the stereographical projection are made using transformations. This enjoy the property that the distortion of the shapes can be made as small as desired by making the diameter of the mapped region small enough. Map reflecting direction, such as a nautical chart or an aeronautical chart, or treating values whose gradients are important, such as a weather map with the atmospheric pressure, are also projected by the transformations. Physics and engineering mapping are invaluable for solving problems in engineering and physics that can be expressed in terms of functions of a complex variable yet exhibited inconveniently geometrically. By choosing an appropriate mapping, the analytical can be transformed the inconvenient geometry into much more convenient one. For example, one may wish to calculate the electric field E of Z using arising from a point charging located near the corner of two conducting planes separated by a certain angle, where Z is the complex coordinate of a point in two spaces. Hence the employing a very simple transformation mapping. The inconvenient angle mapped to one of them precisely 77 radians, meaning that the corner of two plane is transformed to a straight line in the new domain. The property is quite easy to solve. The solution is obtained in the domain E of W and then mapped back to the original domain by noting that W, the original coordinate basis. Thank you.